Hi, it's Greg Peckford, founder of QualityCareerAdvancement.com, and I have a secret to share with you. It's something that I attribute to the success of my career to date and something that has given me great flexibility and diversity in my professional options. It has provided me with the knowledge and toolkit required to not only advance my professional path, but also add massive value to the companies and clients I work for. With it, I have been able to help those organizations streamline their business processes and procedures and identify important areas of improvement and potential cost and time savings. Yet, I don't have an MBA or 20 years of business management experience. In fact, my background is more of a hands-on technical nature. I started out as an aircraft technician with little to no business management experience. So you may be wondering how I'm able to offer such value to my clients and employers and in turn create career opportunities for my own professional growth. It all came down to a choice. When I first started out in quality assurance as a technical auditor, which was my first position that didn't require a toolkit and a lunch bag for the overnight shift, I started exploring all the avenues and training available in this discipline, and believe me, the choices are many. I came to realize that almost every industry has its own specific set of rules and regulations to follow, and that they all had some form of certification to their specific standard. For those who have little interest in exploring the world outside of their particular industry, becoming proficient in those regulations alone is enough to carry on a prosperous career. However, while those specific governing rules and regulations give organizations the do's and don'ts of operating in their respective industry or discipline, what they are lacking is the insight and guidelines for streamlining processes, improving business performance, and increasing customer satisfaction, which of course have a profound effect on the bottom line. So the decision to either focus on a single industry regulatory standard, which of course is required to perform effectively in that respective industry, or compound that knowledge with a skill set that would help diversify one's career opportunities became clear. Enter ISO 9000. We have all heard of it. I recognized the name long before I understood what it meant, just from seeing it displayed on the side of buildings or on the back of large transport vehicles. Every business worldwide will surely recognize it as well. Even if management has not yet fully grasped the significance of its implementation, it stands out on any resume as a valuable professional asset, as anyone who can utilize and implement its concepts is of true value to an organization. The ISO 9001 standard not only outlines the requirements for how organizations should stay compliant, but also how to standardize and streamline processes and focus on client satisfaction and operational efficiency and effectiveness. Another valuable aspect of the ISO 9000 family is that it is purposely generic and applicable to all industry and organizational type, regardless of size, geographical location, or product and service being produced. It is truly diverse. This diversity and ability to help individuals and organizations understand the importance of process and customer focus while promoting continuous improvement makes it a very powerful tool to have in one's professional toolkit. The benefits of understanding and becoming proficient in the ISO 9001 standard are not limited to quality management professionals alone. The concepts and guidelines laid out in the standard are valuable to any organization or individual looking to grow their understanding of managing effective business processes. The choice I made to learn and become proficient in the ISO 9000 family has been profound on my ability to advance my career and transverse through multiple industries and professional disciplines, while helping organizations improve quality, business, and operational performance. Let me give you some additional insight on the importance of ISO 9001 and just how widespread the standard is, because I feel it goes to show how valuable it can be to an individual or management team with knowledge of the standard and understanding of its contents and purpose. Although it is difficult to determine an exact number of companies or organizations that are currently registered to the ISO 9001 standard, due to the fact that no single body registers organizations worldwide, ISO itself does not register organizations. Accredited registrars perform this task, and every country has its own or multiple registrars. However, according to ISO.org, ISO 9000 is implemented by over 1 million companies and organizations in over 170 countries. These are organizations of all sizes, regardless of field of activity. Along with this, there are a countless number of companies and organizations that have not fully implemented or formally certified to the ISO 9001 standard, but use it as a guideline for developing, implementing, and managing their own quality management system. I have personally worked for companies in both categories, and I know firsthand how important the standard is to organizations and their current or prospective clients. So as it is not a requirement for companies to certify to the ISO 9001 standard, it is widely accepted as a baseline for a functioning quality management system, regardless of the industry they operate. As I mentioned, learning and becoming proficient in the ISO 9000 family of standards has been one of the biggest factors in my career progression to date, and continues to be a driving factor in my success and the success of clients and organizations I work for. If you would like to know more about ISO 9001 or quality management in general, check out qualitycareeradvancement.com and sign up to the email newsletter to receive the latest information and get notified of new online training courses. Also, receive my free Quality Essentials training video and learn how to diversify and expand your professional skill set with quality management and auditing fundamentals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.